is the 4th of July, and this is our little sprouts garden. And the weeds are kind of getting away from us, but we're doing the best we can. This is mint. Birdhouse gourds are going to be in there. Zinnias, tomatoes, and a lot of cole crops still that haven't burned up yet. This is our hot peppers. This is our herb tower, which is just engulfed with oregano right now. Beyond that is asparagus, and then the garlic bed is empty right now, and then you can see the sunflowers at the top. Corn patch, strawberry bed. We're growing some gourds and squashes along here that are young. Tomatoes. This bed is gonna grow these loofahs that are growing here in the walkway because I'm trying to save them because a weed eater has taken down all the ones that we had planted. Tomatoes, I just planted squash in there. There's our cucamelons and our cucumbers, okra, and there's going to be more cucumbers coming up here to replace this one that the squash bugs are killing. Then we have our strawberry beds, more zinnias, and lavender. And then over here, on this side, we've got green beans. This is basically empty. I'm going to put squash in here. There's a herb bed over there, a bunch of kale, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. There's long beans in that back one, a little asparagus bed, mint, zinnias. That humongously tall stuff is actually fennel that wintered over. It's the craziest thing. So it didn't die this winter. And this, it's probably maybe 9 or 10 feet tall. Crazy. This is our instant bucket in a garden in a bucket. And the last of the nasturtiums before they burn up, and a bunch more tomato plants. And then we have fruit trees around, and that's our garden.